Hello friends, I'm Dr. Schulze and thank you for tuning into my blog again this week where I answer your questions about your illnesses, about creating powerful health, about creating healing miracles. That's what I want here. Okay, this week a letter from Krista W. from Vancouver, British Columbia in Canada. Dear Dr. Schulze, please, 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 I beg you for a moment of your time. You are an angel man. Thank you. The information I have learned from you has changed my life. You have changed your life, Krista. Take responsibility for that. And thank you for changing your life. I am at the beginning of my career and I want to dedicate my life to helping people heal disease naturally. Wonderful. That's what I'm doing. Mainstream medicine is going to kill my dad. I wouldn't doubt that. With pills and lost hope, and if I don't take a stand. You know, that's one of the things I think is the most detrimental, the most malpractice done in the Orthodox medical community in America is they don't give people hope. They tell people that when they're going to die. Nobody knows when anybody's going to die. You know, one time I was accused in my clinic, someone said, but don't you worry, you could be giving someone false hope. And I thought about it and I thought, false hope, it's better than no hope. I'll take any hope I can get, because here's one thing I know from years and decades in my clinic, that nothing positive, nothing healing, nothing positive ever comes from being negative. Okay, so I hear you, Krista from British Columbia, from Vancouver, that they're going to kill your dad with pills and lost hope. Okay, my dad has been struggling with colitis for years now. He was diagnosed with it a year ago. And they also say he might have something else. Okay, his diet over his lifetime has been meat, wheat, all the things I talk about that will get you in your digestive tract, in your elimination tract. He doesn't like drinking water, so he doesn't drink it. And he's never been overweight and always been an avid gym goer. Well, that's a great thing. That's part of the program. Remember, it's food, detoxification, movement, emotions, and spirit. He's got the movement down, which a lot of people don't, so this is great. How can I help him heal? I was thinking of your Incurables program, raw vegan diet, raw juice, intestinal formula #1, but I heard that could irritate colitis. Yes, it can. Can you give me a couple pointers? Absolutely, for colitis. Okay. The first thing we got to do is stop the inflammation in his bowel. So a morning superfood drink would be great. Putting some aloe vera juice or gel in it would be wonderful. On top of it, put your flax seeds in it and your chia seeds, which are high in omega-3 and 6 essential fatty acids, which are very anti-inflammatory. Add in your walnuts, which the oil is very anti-inflammatory. Make your dad a nice superfood morning drink. If he had a life of meat, you know, he probably ate bacon and eggs and all those things that take 6 hours to digest, if not 6 years. And that led to his irritation in his digestive tract. So get him on a good morning drink with some nice anti-inflammatory herbs like the aloes I mentioned. Get him on the Herbal Mucil formula. Herbal Mucil is an anti-inflammatory. Stay away from the intestinal formula #1. You were correct, because your dad with colitis probably doesn't need to poop more. What is colitis? Colitis is just colon-itis. Itis, it just means inflammation. It just means colon inflammation. So we got to get his colon quieted down. You can even put some flaxseed oil, which is a great anti-inflammatory, right into his morning drink. And get him off of the horrible foods that he's eating that are hard to digest and even harder to eliminate. And you can also try the intestinal formula #2, which is similar to the Herbal Mucil, but detoxifying. So intestinal formula #2 and or Herbal Mucil Plus. I have people that mix it half and half. But that's what we're going to do. Colitis is easy. And he's already exercising. So you have to get with the other parts of the program, eating good foods, clean, healthy foods that are soothing to his digestive tract. Nothing irritating. No irritating drinks. No alcohol. No coffee. No soda pops. No junk food or anything like that. He doesn't like drinking water. He could use a little water. Water puts the fire out. Water puts fires out, and he could use more liquid into his bowel. Get him on the morning drink with superfood with all the soothing ingredients I talked about. Get him on the herbal mucil. We got to put the fire out in his bowel. He's going to be fine. He can reverse this. Anything he created, he can take it the other way and reverse it. So don't worry, Krista. I know with your help, your dad can be healthy and well. Remember, anybody out there who has any irritating bowel disease like spastic colon or colitis or Crohn's disease, all my life I've heard about how Crohn's disease is incurable. I hear about how everything's incurable, but my patients were able to cure these things. So even with Crohn's disease, you do not have to live with it. It is not incurable. You just have to get that bowel calm down, the inflammation down, use your aloes, use your morning drinks, find a food program that works, learn 1,000 jokes, reduce the stress, reduce your stress level, get it down, and use the herbal mucil. And the next thing you know, all these hot, inflammatory, spastic colon, irritable bowel, Crohn's disease, colitis will be gone. See you next week.